Garcia here, and in this episode, I am going to share with you this recipe. We only need milk and apple cider vinegar. Milk, it has an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. It provides potassium, vitamin 12, vitamin D and A, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Slowly pour 1 liter of milk into our cooking pot in the lower heat. We need to keep stirring, and now our milk simmering slowly, and I like to add a teaspoon of salt. If you wish to add salt, it's all up to you. And gradually pour the 6 tablespoons of vinegar of your choice, or for me, I like to use the apple cider vinegar. Keep stirring and constantly our milk separated into curd and whey. Look at that, look at the texture. Look at the fresh cheese that we're going to make. And take it away from the heat, keep it aside, leave up to 5 to 15 minutes. And let's strain. I didn't have a cheesecloth, so I'm just going to use this strainer and separate the curd from the whey. Look at that, look at the cheese that we're going to make. And ensure to squeeze more to remove the extra water. And let's transfer to a small pot or a small bowl. These things has still water, so we have to squeeze, and we'll try to remove more water from it. And that's all, so we have to keep this aside, or you can keep it in the fridge for 1 to 3 hours.
A few moments later.
And after 1.5 hours, so look at this, look at our white cheese. Look at the texture, it's very delicious. We'll try to cut this. This is really good for the breakfast or for the salad. And this is really good to add up on your healthy eating diet. It has loads of protein and vitamins and minerals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Tick that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next episode.